Dun, 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 dun.
Falafel said he can't come fix our pipes.
I hate it.
You're going to sing a song, aren't you?
Water. It's very, very wet. It comes from a faucet and onto your head.
It's hot.
Ah!
It's cold.
You pour it in a pot.
And clean off mould.
Water. You can cry with it.
What about sweating? That's water, isn't it?
Turn up the air conditioner.
Turn it past 6. Ha 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 ha.
Water, water everywhere. Lots of drops to drink.
Water, water here and there. Don't drain it down the sink.
Because that's a waste.
Water. It turns into air.
It also turns into ice.
Don't forget me. Tap water.
Nice.
Running in a race, feeling dehydrated.
Let's win first place. Hydration activated.
Too much water makes you wanna go.
Hydration moderation is also good to know.
Water, water everywhere. Lots of drops to drink.
Water, water here and there. Don't drain it down the sink.
Because that's a waste.
Don't drain it down the sink.
Because that's a waste. Don't drain it down the sink. Haha, the drips have stopped.
Hey! You finished the water!
Oh.
We
shouldn't have drained all the water down the sink to illustrate our point.
About not wasting water.
Are you going to sing the same song or are we going to do a different one?